So there you go. I managed to get time to fit my battery guard and mud guard. And they work extremely well. I never bother with the front mud guard anymore. That does the trick for me. As you can see when you look down on it, covers your legs. It's the main thing. Haven't fitted this yet. This is just in place. This is where it's gonna go. I've got to solder up all the wiring for it and everything, but that's where it's gonna fit. I've had to make a few little adjustments on it here and here, so the battery can actually get up into the top and then slot down so I can take it off, unlike my Norco. So yeah, it should work out quite well. All this is in now, all the wiring's done all through there, sensors are all in, all screwed up, ready to work. So yeah, just got to get the battery up and ready to go. So quite happy. So here you go. Now fitting the battery. I've soldered one on there. Got to solder the earth on in a minute, or rather the neutral. But yeah, got a plate on here, and that'll all fit in there. So snug fit, but it all fits, and I'll be able to take the battery off for the winter months, which is good. So yeah, it's all coming together. We're getting nearly there now, which is good. I get this wiring done, that's done, and I can tidy up all these cable ties and different things that I want to sort out. I've still got this to put on as well, which is the sensor for the back. Not sure where I'm going to put it yet. Thought about putting it somewhere about there or here, so it's closest to the spoke, I guess. So it'll probably go on about there-ish, but I've got to see because it's got quite a chunky piece on it. But yeah, it's coming on. Anyway, I'll get this other one soldered on, which I can't do holding the camera. So I'll get back to you when I've done that and put the faceplate on. Yeah, so looking good. Get back to you in a second. So here you go. Just putting my battery plate on. Done all my soldering now. And here, so I've got the wire. I'll put a cable tie down right down at the bottom there, which ties that in. Yeah, I wanted to put a bigger battery in, but it wasn't going to happen, because when I put the faceplate in, the other battery, which is a big Tesla battery I've got down in here, down in there, it doesn't actually fit, and I couldn't take it off. I could have velcroed it in, but I just didn't want to do that. So I've got an old faithful unit pack power battery. It's only a 48 volt. I will swap it out for a 52 later on, but it'll do me for now to get it all up and running. But yeah, so anyway, let's get that faceplate on and get back to you. A little bit tricky. There you go. So there it is. One of my first ever batteries. That battery is about 4 years old. So whether it's going to work when it's all done, I don't know. But yeah, so it's all tidy and on there, and we'll see how we go from there. Shame I couldn't use the bigger one, but there you go. Nothing I can do about that. But I can't power it yet because I haven't got all the rest of the wiring on. So I'm going to take that battery off now, give it a good charge, and see where we go from there. Anyway, there you go. Got the sensor going on in here, fits in there quite nice. Just got a cable tie this up, and that should be that bit done. all coming together. Dogs are getting in on the action as normal. So he's all done up tight there. I haven't put the other, there's another piece to go in there yet, which I haven't put in. Do that in a sec. Just get this cable tie on. Put it in there like that. Don't want nothing catching in the wheel. Oh, I've gone the wrong way around. That'd be better. Put one on the bend. It's a bit of a bend here. I think it'd just look better if we catch it on the bend. What I could do actually is I could catch that cable in there as well. That just tidy up the whole effort then, won't it? All the bits, I'll nip them in a minute, but let's put him in there. Bear in mind I have to move it around a bit. So what I'm going to do is go and get my star thing. This is always an awkward thing to fit. Still go up a fair old way. Don't know why they use a security bit on these, because it makes it bloody damn sight harder to fit. But yeah, here you go on there, like so. So I just need to put my wrench on there a minute. Tighten them up as much as I can here, should be easier. Right, that's in. Move them off a little bit. So I don't want to scratch the paint, getting it up in position. There you go. So I need to turn my wheel a little bit to get it in line. There you have it. Just a little bit back. That's him. So just got to do him up there. Bit of an awkward position. Down a little So these on there are tight. Don't even see that. But yes, I've got the magnet in there for the sensor. So that's all good. Now if I move him out a little bit, that's why I didn't want to do everything up super tight yet. So there you go, that's about the 1.2 mil I think. And I can always adjust that later. Just need to get a screwdriver. These are the most awkward screws, these ones. It's a tiny little screw. Biggest slots in there. Nope, I've dropped them. Now where's that gone? I can see it. Bear with me and I will find it. I've got it. I do hate these little screws. I think they're one of the most awkwardest things to fit on the bowfang itself. Once it's in though, that's it, it's no problem. Make sure it's up nice and tight. There you go, I'm happy with that. Just jackal them so I can start cutting them off now as I go back through. And what I'll do is I'll push those down underneath. You'll never see them. Neat. Neat and tidy. All looking good at the minute. That one is perfect there. I need to, but I want to get the look over the other side because it just looks better. That's better. Cut it off. I'll put one here. Probably put two here actually, and then cut the big one off. So it looks all tidy then. Get this big one off in a minute. Yeah, that's better. Looks a lot tidier like that. Happy with that, and the cable's all out the way of everything. I'm going to double that one up. Oh, he broke. Look, you get some like that, I'm afraid. Anyway. Get another one. So the next thing is stay safe out there and get out and ride.